To write the augmented matrix for this system of equations, notice it's not in the form that we like. We like seeing all the variables on one side and anything without a variable on the other side. So the x terms here, we're going to move those to the left side. So the first equation, if we subtract 2x from both sides, we get negative 2x plus y equals 5. And for this second equation, if we add 3x over, we get 3x plus y equals 1. So now that it's in our standard form for systems of equations, now we can write the augmented matrix. Okay? We list the coefficients of our variables, negative 2 and 1, and then what it's equal to, which is 5. And then our second equation is our second row, so 3, 1, and 1. Notice that the 1 in the second column, that comes because y is the same thing as 1y. So there's our augmented matrix. To solve the system by reducing the augmented matrix, we're going to use a calculator to do that. I'm going to use the Desmos matrix calculator, so desmos.com/matrix. And we'll start by just creating this matrix. So new matrix, this is a 2 by 3, so increase the number of columns. And then just enter those numbers. So negative 2, 1, 5, 3, 1, and 1. And hit enter. And then we need to reduce this matrix. So we use this button RREF for reduced row echelon form, and then tell it what matrix to reduce, which is A. Okay. And we get our reduced form here. You'll notice in Desmos when it gives you a decimal form, you can also click over here to convert it to a fraction form, and it doesn't really matter which form you have. So there's our solution for x and y. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and write out these rows here. So 1, 0, negative 4/5, and 0, 1, 17/5. Okay, and this each of these rows still corresponds to an equation. Okay, this first one is 1x plus 0y equals negative 4/5. And the second row corresponds to 0x plus 1y equals, and then 17/5. And so that's our solution to the system of equations using the augmented matrix.